In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert endnotes in Google Docs with this easy guide. Whether you're writing a research paper or an article and need to organize your sources effectively, these tools and tips will make the process straightforward. Let's dive in. First, let's start by adding footnotes to your document, which is a necessary precursor to creating endnotes. Place your cursor right after the word or sentence that you want to reference. Once your cursor is in place, navigate to the top menu and select Insert, then click on Footnote. Alternatively, you can press the shortcut keys Ctrl plus Alt plus F on your keyboard. This will open up a footnote area at the bottom of your page. Here, you can type your note, whether it's a citation, a brief comment, or additional information. Once you've added a footnote, you can repeat this process for all the notes you plan to include in your document. Now that you have your footnotes in place, the next crucial step is to install an extension that will help us convert these footnotes into endnotes. Begin by clicking on Extensions in the top menu, then move to Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. In the search bar that appears, you'll want to type Endnote Generator, which might also be known as the Footnote to Endnote Converter. Once you've found it, click on the Install button to add this tool to your Google Docs. With the necessary extension installed, we're ready to convert those footnotes into endnotes. Head over to your extensions menu once more and find the Endnote Generator. Select this option and then choose Run or Convert Footnotes to Endnotes. The tool will take over from here, automatically moving all your notes from the footnote area to the very end of your document, effectively formatting them as endnotes. This is a great feature that saves time and ensures consistent formatting. Finally, let's move on to the verification stage. Scroll down to the last page of your document where you'll find your newly created endnotes list. It's important to verify that all entries have been transferred accurately. If you notice that the section header is not labeled as endnotes, go ahead and rename it to ensure clarity and consistency. This is also the perfect moment to make any final adjustments, such as checking for correct number formatting or changing font styles to match the rest of your document. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully inserted endnotes into your Google Docs, helping to keep your academic work or professional writing organized and reader-friendly. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to drop your questions or share how this guide has helped you in the comments below.